From the First Alert Weather Center, meteorologist Jonathan Conder. It's an alert day for Oklahoma or parts of the KOCO viewing area. Gray is a base map. That means no risk expected. Green is a level 1 out of 5. Remember, that's tied to the amount of damage reports. It's a 1, so isolated. For damaging winds 60 to 70 miles an hour, there is not a tornado risk. I think we're going to be fine. Timing should be pretty quiet midday, and then storms flare back up. Northwestern Oklahoma, 4 o'clock this afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms this evening. And then during the overnight, storms may become more numerous during the overnight. And then there's our 20% chance by daybreak Friday morning for OKC. There's one last chance of storms on Friday before we go into the weekend. But there is good news in the extended forecast. Heat relief and much more rain coming. This is all good for us. So make sure you come pay us a visit when 4, 5, 6, 10 p.m. Chief Meteorologist Dave Mullane, he'll be in. He'll have your updated risk timeline. He'll get you through the storms that are coming in later tonight.